Of chicken, and I've just made some slight incisions in the chicken. Now we need some coriander, about a bowl of fresh coriander, 5 to 6 light green chillies, the juice of 1 lemon, 10 cloves of garlic with half an inch of ginger. Then I require half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, about 10 cloves, half an inch of cinnamon. Now we're going to grind all these ingredients except for the 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to grind them just using the lime juice. We're not going to add any water, and we're going to grind it till we get a nice thick paste, thick and smooth paste. Now this is going to be a marinade for our chicken. So we are going to put this on our chicken, apply it well to the chicken. See that all the pieces get coated very well. Now we're going to add the turmeric powder. So I'm using about 1/4 of a teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder. And then we're going to coat the chicken very well with this paste. And after we do that, we're going to marinate it and leave it for about a minimum of 1 hour. If you can keep it overnight, there's nothing like it, because then the flavor really, it really elevates the flavor of this dish if you keep this marinated overnight. Now once we have finished with marinating the chicken, we're just going to heat some oil in a pan, and we're going to put our chicken pieces into it, and we're going to brown the chicken well on both sides. So you can keep turning the chicken on and off so that both sides get nicely browned. Now apply the remaining marinade, whatever is remaining, because it is full of flavor. So just apply it to the chicken. Now add the reserve water. What the reserve water is that when once we grind the paste in the mixer and we wash the mixer pot, the water that we get is called reserve water. If you don't have that, just use regular water, half a cup of water. And now we're going to cover and cook this for about 5 minutes. Now in the meantime, we're going to heat some oil in another pan, and I'm going to be adding some very thinly sliced potato rounds. This is a must for Cafreal. I mean, it really brings out the flavor of the dish. Also cut some onion rings and keep aside. So we're going to fry both the potatoes. First, we're going to fry the potatoes till they're nice and golden brown, and then after we're done with the potatoes, we're going to fry the onions till they're nice and golden brown. Now here our chicken is almost ready, so fry the potatoes well, and then just coat the chicken with the lovely green masala. And now our chicken is all ready. You can just check the chicken by just inserting a knife or a fork, and it should really break very easily, as well as it should be nicely cooked well. Now what I like to do is I like to add the fried potatoes and onions into this chicken itself and then coat it with the green masala. If you like, you can just serve it separately as a side dish. It really tastes good anyway. So now I'm just going to be adding my fried potatoes and fried onions to this dish, and I'm going to let the masala coat all of the meat and the chicken. I mean the chicken and the potatoes and the onions. And friends, our chicken cafreal is all ready. This goes well with rice, with chapatis, puris, bread, pav, anything. It's just so very delicious. So I hope that you like this recipe very much. And if you did, then don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. And once you have subscribed, just click the little golden bell so that every time I put up a new video on my channel, you get a message so you can see what is Akshata putting up on her channel, and you can enjoy the recipes and the vlogs. So friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.